G'day and welcome back to Pasco's Garage. In this video, this is the last video of this series, so I'm just going through a few of the old cars that I've owned. So this car I bought as a rolling shell, a 1966 Ford Mustang. It's a C code, so it's a 289, 2-barrel C4 auto with an 8-inch diff. Drum brakes all around, so you basically only get one go at stopping this car. So I bought this car as a rolling shell left-hand drive. It was about $6,000 back in the day. And then I convert it to right-hand drive and then restore the car from top to bottom. So I hope you enjoy the video. So this is my 1966 Ford Mustang C code. So here it is, springtime yellow, paint's all faded, the automatics in the boot, the air cleaner's on the rear parcel shelf. The car's overall quite straight and didn't have much rust. So I stripped it all down, removed all the windows, all the glass, all the trims on the outside, and then sent it off to the panel beaters. So the panel beaters fixed up any little rust spots, put it in primer, made sure all the panels nice straight, all the doors lined up, everything was good. And then an undercoat, because I wanted to change it from that springtime yellow to this Tahoe turquoise. And here it is with its final coat of paint. So then I took it back home and then started fitting it out. So here you can see it's quite dusty, and getting the bumpers, the eyebrows on, got the rear bumpers, the lights in, fitting out the interior. So I converted it from right-hand drive to left-hand drive. I just cut the dash and welded that in. So you can see it's now starting to take shape. Some steel style wheels there on the drum brakes. I redid all the brakes on the car as well, completely top to bottom. Rebuilt the diff, put a new exhaust system on the car, went through all the suspension, put nylon bushes through it as well, new shocks. This is another motor I ended up getting for the car, a 289. Wiring it up, new radiator, new hoses. Rebuilt the carby. That's a Holly 350 carby on it. I had to do all the engineering for the right-hand drive. This is one of the plates the engineer asked me to do. It goes up between the pedal box and the firewall, just to add some strength behind it. You can see they're all fitted up with the insulation behind the dashboard. I changed all the brake pipes, all the lines, all the fuel lines that were all changed as well. This is where I swapped over the heater box. You flip it over, put a little bracket on. There are crush tubes in the chassis rails when you swap the pitman arm and box over. So I've fitted up the hood lining to the car, the door cards, a new steering wheel, new radio, new speakers. You can see now I've got the wood trim dash and the pony interior as well. I finally get it started. You can tell by the black lines are there on the ground. And this was the finished thing. Once I got it all through engineering, the car was an amazing car. Looks good, didn't stop or go around corners, but it looked good, sound good. Really fun car to drive. Cruising around during summer, that 289 just burbled along with that really nice exhaust system. You can see my number plates, Cruise 289. And that's the finished project. Well, that's it for this short little video series. I hope you enjoyed them. By the time you're watching these videos, hopefully my little rotary has been through the final piece of the engineering puzzle. So I'll hopefully bring that to you soon. So I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.